Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Power on the watch and open the companion app on your phone. Follow the on-screen pairing steps to connect via Bluetooth securely. Enter your profile details including age, weight, and preferred units for accurate tracking. Set your daily step goal, for example 10,000 steps, and enable call and message notifications. Place the watch on the charger and charge for 2 hours to reach a full battery. Confirm firmware updates and restart the watch after installation to finalize setup. Wake the screen with a raise or a tap to view time and stats. Swipe left or right to access widgets like heart rate, weather, and music controls. Use the side button to open the apps list and start workouts or timers quickly. Tap an activity to begin tracking with GPS if needed, and pause or stop when finished. Customize watch faces and widgets from the companion app for quick access to your most used functions and metrics. Enable continuous heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking in the companion app for complete health insights. Charge the watch nightly and sync data regularly to backup metrics and update health trend charts. Review daily summaries for steps, active minutes, and calorie estimates to adjust goals proactively. If GPS or heart rate readings look inaccurate, ensure the band fits snugly and firmware is current. Restart the watch and reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.